Your friends are hungry. Let's make a pizza for them. Our friends are hungry. Let's get some pizza delivered to the wolves. What pizza does your friend want? Margarita. Put the necessary items into the basket. Cheese. Well done. Olive oil. You're doing great. Halfway through. Tomatoes. Perfect. Basil. Correct. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. Let's cut it good. Tear off all the leaves. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Drive fast, Bear. Watch out! Cones ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! A log ahead! Watch out! A stone ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived! Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.